Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will learn about simplify. Before we start, let's see the definition of simplify. Here, simplify has been categorized into three parts: sim, pli and fi, where sim means to make less complicated, pli means to make it clearer and easier, and fi means to reduce into a simpler form. In order to know about simplification, first of all, we need to know about BODMAS rule, where B means brackets, O means of, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, and finally S means subtraction. This means, first of all, we need to remove the brackets, where there are three types of brackets. We have got curly bracket, square bracket, and small bracket. After that, we should divide. Then we go for multiplication, then addition, then finally subtraction. Remember students, we cannot add or multiply at first or subtract at first. We always should go with a sequence, that is brackets, division, multiplication, addition, and finally subtraction. Now let's learn about sign rules. When we solve, we always multiply the signs, where there are two signs like plus and plus. If you multiply plus into plus, your answer will be plus. If you multiply plus into minus, your answer will come in minus. And again, if you multiply minus into plus, it will again come minus. Then last, finally, if you multiply minus into minus, your answer will be plus. Here you can check little carefully students. If we multiply two same signs, see, plus and plus is same and minus is same. So if you multiply same signs, then your result will be positive. Your result will be positive. And if you multiply two different signs, see, two different signs, then it will be your negative. You will get negative answer. Now let's see some examples. Example number 1. 56 divided by 7 multiplied by 3 plus 8 minus 9. Now remember students, we have learned BODMAS rule. First we will divide, then we multiply, then add, then subtract. Here we don't need to use bracket because there is no any bracket in the question. So let's divide first. Where is the division sign? It is in between 56 and 7. So we divide 56 and 7. When we divide 56 by 7, then our answer becomes 8. So now rest of the numbers we will copy as it is. See, 56 divided by 7 is 8, multiplied by 3 plus 8 and minus 9. Rest we copy it as it is. Then after finishing division, we go for multiplication. Now multiplication sign is in between 8 and 3. So we multiply 8 and 3. 8 times 3 gives you 24. Then rest we copy as it is. After multiplication, we go for addition. Now addition sign is in between 24 and 8. So 24 plus 8 gives you 32. Minus 9 we write as it is. And finally subtraction, 32 minus 9 gives you 23. Now our next example is 10 times 2 plus 48 divided by 6 minus 9. First of all, you need to find out where is the division sign. Here division sign is in between 48 and 6, where you are supposed to divide 48 by 6. Rest you will copy as it is. 10 times 2 plus 48 divided by 6 is 8, and minus 9 we write as it is. Then our second process is multiplication. Now the numbers in between multiplication are 10 and 2, so we multiply 10 and 2, which is 20. Now rest we copy as it is. 20 plus 8 minus 9. Then third step we go for addition. Addition sign is in between 20 and 8, so we add 20 and 8, which is 28 minus 9 gives you 19. Our next example is 5 times 6, which is inside the small bracket, divided by 6 plus 2 minus 5. Now in this question we have got bracket. So our first step is we open the bracket. Now how to open the bracket? We need to solve the problem that is inside the bracket. Then we can open the bracket. Now inside the bracket we have 5 times 6. Even though division sign is there, first of all we will solve inside the bracket. Okay, now 5 times 6 is inside the bracket, which gives you 30. Rest we copy as it is. 30 divided by 6 plus 2 minus 5. Now we go for division. Our second process is division. Now division sign is in between 30 and 6. 30 should be divided by 6. When we divide 30 by 6, our answer is 5. Rest we copy as it is, plus 2 minus 5. Then we go for multiplication. Since there is no any multiplication, now our next step is addition. So addition is in between 5 and 2. So we add 5 and 2, which gives you 7 minus 5. And our final answer is 2. Our next question is 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 30 minus 3 times 40 divided by 5. There is small bracket, there is curly bracket, and there is big bracket as well, which is also called square bracket. First of all, we will solve small bracket, then we will solve inside the curly bracket, then finally we will solve inside the square bracket. Then let's see. Now let's see the operations or the numbers that are inside the small bracket. Inside the small brackets, we have got multiplication and division. In multiplication and division, first is we divide. So 40 divided by 5 is 8. Rest all we copy as it is. After that, we go for multiplication, which is inside the small bracket again. So 3 times 8 gives you 24. Now our small bracket has been removed. All the numbers are as it is. 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 30 minus 24. Since our small bracket has gone, we have got now curly bracket to solve. Now inside the curly bracket, we have got plus and minus. Among plus and minus, first of all we should add. So addition sign is between 2 and 30. So 30 plus 2 gives you 32. Minus 24 we copy as it is. Rest numbers also we copy as it is. Now inside the curly bracket, we have got only subtraction. So 32 minus 24 gives you 8. Our curly bracket is also gone, only the square bracket is left, and outside we have got 4. Okay. Then inside the big bracket, we have 5 plus 8, which gives you 13. Now our square bracket is also gone. Now finally 4 plus 13 gives you 17, which is our final answer. I hope you have understood about simplification. If you like my video, then don't forget to press like button. If you have any questions, you can mention it in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then subscribe it and don't forget to hit bell icon so that whenever I post a video, you will get the notification. Thank you for watching my video. Stay safe, stay strong. Bye-bye.